Morning guys, so it's my last day in Japan. Oh my god, it's just been such an amazing trip with some amazing moments, and I can't believe how quickly the 2 weeks have actually gone. I've just been reflecting on my time here and I feel like it's been yesterday since I arrived, but I've just seen the most amazing things and I think it definitely has been one of the best trips that I've ever been on. I'm going to do a bit of a breakdown video later on, but for this one, this is my last day, so I'm in Osaka. Osaka by day looks very, very different to last night, and we're just about to go check out of our hotel and then head off back into Tokyo, so let's go. Hey guys, so I'm starting my day right at Eggs and Things in Osaka and I'm having yummy French toast with hot chocolate. Can't wait to get my day started. I'm going back to Tokyo today, but I thought I'd get a good breakfast in. Check it out. Well, not yet. I'm going to do a little bit of wandering around Tokyo before we do that. So we've got back to Haneda Airport. We've just dropped off our luggage. We're back in Tokyo and our flight is actually not till 2 o'clock in the morning, which is a bit of an ouch hour, but that does mean that we'll land really early in London tomorrow. And yeah, we're just kind of going to go back into Tokyo, hang out for a little bit and then come back in. And I'm just at the monorail station, which is really easy to get to and very easy to use if you fly into Haneda. And the views are absolutely amazing. So it's surrounded by water all the way around, and then they've got like loads of different terminals, but the one that you need if you're an international passenger like I am, because obviously I'm going back to London, you need the international terminal, and the monorail is really easy to navigate, and if you have a JR pass it's actually free, so don't forget that. Right, so I'm about to get on the train and then heading back into Tokyo. Oh my god, this is amazing, look at this! So insane. So I can come home. I just want to say to Japan, I've had an amazing trip. It's been absolutely brilliant. I've seen so many amazing things. I've experienced so many amazing things, and I don't think I could have had a better experience. I think the people I met in my group, they were absolutely amazing, and really, really nice people, and I think we bonded really, really well, which really helped us on this trip. I think the people in Japan are absolutely amazing. They're so friendly, they're so helpful, and you know, despite the fact that I have really awkward dietary requirements and you know, as a group, we were all very different in the way we were. I think people in Japan have just been absolutely amazing, and I will never forget that. So here's to Japan. I might do a collage of our best moments after this.